There isn't a perfect number of credit cards that improves every person's credit score. What matters is whether you can manage every account on time, because payment history has a much bigger impact than simply owning more cards. By the end of this video, you'll know how many credit cards make sense for different situations, and when opening another card actually helps instead of hurting. If you're just starting to build credit, one card is enough. Use it regularly, keep your balance low, and pay the full statement balance by the due date every month. That gives you positive payment history without making your finances harder to manage. Once you've handled that first card responsibly for a while, adding a second card can make sense. A second account increases your available credit, which can lower your overall credit utilization if your spending stays the same. It also means you're not relying on a single card if it's lost, locked, or declined. After that, every new card should have a purpose. One card might earn cash back on everyday purchases. Another might offer travel rewards. A third could provide a long introductory financing offer if you have a planned purchase. Opening accounts without a clear reason usually creates more work than value. If you're rebuilding your credit after financial problems, focus on managing one or two accounts well before applying for additional cards. Consistent on-time payments matter far more than collecting several new accounts. Having too many cards isn't automatically bad, but it becomes a problem if you miss due dates, carry balances you can't repay, or lose track of annual fees. A smaller number of well-managed accounts is usually stronger than a large collection that's difficult to monitor. You also don't need to apply for multiple cards within a short period. Each application may result in a hard inquiry, and several recent applications can make lenders more cautious when reviewing future requests. Review your existing cards before opening another one. Ask yourself whether the new card gives you something you don't already have. If it doesn't improve your rewards, increase your available credit in a meaningful way, or fit a specific financial goal, waiting is often the better decision. Here's the simple answer. Start with one card if you're new to credit. Add another only after you've proven you can manage the first, and keep every additional card tied to a clear purpose instead of chasing a bigger collection. Your next step is to review the cards you already have, decide whether another account actually fills a need, and if this helped, like the video, and subscribe for more practical credit tips.